Why does your scanner show the P2110 engine code? What does it mean? P2110 is a diagnostic trouble code for Throttle Actuator Control System Force Limited RPM. It indicates the ECM detects a major failure in the throttle actuator control system, potentially causing the vehicle to enter limp mode and limit RPMs. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Throttle control motor issues. Accelerator pedal position sensor malfunction. Wiring problems. Powertrain control module failure. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Kia, Mazda, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.